Nurin Sofea. In this video, I will be talking about the world without trees. What will happen? Trees are so important for us, humans, animals, the environment, and all living organisms. Can you imagine the sky turning into gray color? Of course you can, because we had experienced air pollution before. But if there's no trees, it will be so much worse, and there will be no clean air anymore. Without trees, the amount of oxygen in this world will decrease a lot. It is because the trees provide 31% of oxygen in this world. If there is not enough oxygen, it will be so hard for us to breathe. We might also need an oxygen tank to keep us alive. And without oxygen, we might have difficulties in finding clean water for us to drink, cook, and we can't even play in the rain anymore because the water is too acidic. It is because nowadays there are a lot of industries that produce large amounts of greenhouse gases, especially carbon, that disturbs the water cycle and cause the rain to become acidic. It is also because there is not enough oxygen to absorb carbon dioxide in the air. Other than that, the land will become so dry because the trees moisturize the soil. There are also a lot of natural disasters that will occur, especially landslide, because the trees hold soil in place and prevent it from erosion. Next, the problem that we'll be facing if there is no trees is health problem. Since we might have difficulties in breathing because there's no clean air, most people will probably be diagnosed with lungs diseases. For example, lungs cancer or lungs infection. Trees also reduce UVB exposure by about 50%. If there's no trees, most people might be diagnosed with skin cancer. Trees also cools the street and the city. Trees absorb heat and cool the city by up to 10 Fahrenheit by shading our homes and streets, breaking up urban heat islands, and releasing water vapor into the air through their leaves. If there's no trees, the temperature of the earth will increase and the land will become so dry and might also turn into the Sahara Desert. Oh no. Other than that, there will be massive extinctions of all groups of organisms, both locally and globally. If trees disappear, so would much of the planet's biodiversity. Overall species richness was 50 to 100% higher in areas with scattered trees than in open areas. Even a single isolated tree in an open area can act as a biodiversity magnet, attracting and providing resources for many animals and plants. Therefore, losing even individual trees can severely impact biodiversity locally. Lastly, trees and nature are also good for our mental health and well-beings. Without trees, there would be a lot more people who suffer from any mental diseases, which is actually a little bit unpleasant. We wouldn't want that. In conclusion, trees are so important for us, humans, animals, other organisms, and the whole world. Trees are the lungs of our planet. No trees, no humans, and basically, we will die. Let us all appreciate the trees and save the world. Thank you.